In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify the width of a Jotform. Whether you're aiming for a more compact look or need some additional space for your content, customizing your form's width is a straightforward process that can be accomplished in just a few minutes. First things first, to get started, head over to jotform.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials to log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your workspace. This is where all the magic happens, and you can manage all your forms. Next, navigate to My Forms. It's your personal library of all the forms you've created or worked on. Find the form you want to customize. It might be helpful to have the form's name handy if you have multiple forms in your list. Once located, click on it to enter the form builder. Inside the form builder, you'll find a variety of options to customize your form. On the right hand side, there is an icon that looks like a paintbrush or paint palette. This is the form designer, and clicking on it will open up more customization options. The form designer is an incredibly useful tool where you can tweak styles, themes, and form dimensions. Once inside the form designer, you'll see several tabs at the top. Select the styles tab. This particular section allows you to adjust the visual aspects of your form from colors to dimensions. Scroll down a bit and you'll notice the form width setting. This is where you can modify how wide you want your form to be. The width is measured in pixels. A standard size might be around 750 TX, but you can adjust this depending on your specific aesthetic or functional requirements. To change the width, simply type your desired pixel size into the field. Before finalizing, it's always a good idea to take a moment and preview your form. By doing this, you can see how the new width looks and ensure that it fits your needs and expectations. If everything looks good, don't forget the most crucial step, saving your changes. Click the save button to ensure all your hard work is preserved, and just like that, you've successfully customized the width of your Jotform. This simple tweak can significantly impact how your audience interacts with your form, and now you know just how to do it. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Happy form building,